Alex Murdaugh took the stand for another day of emotional testimony as the state accuses the former attorney of coming up with a new alibi mid-trial.
Murdaugh is charged with the murder of his wife and son and is now taking questions from prosecutors. Fox's Caroline Elliott joins us live from Walterboro, South Carolina. And Caroline, court wrapped up not too long ago. What happened today?
Well, Tom, Courtney, we were expecting the defense to wrap today, but after Alex Murdaugh's surprise testimony yesterday, prosecutors had a lot of questions. The state is now trying to convince this jury that Alex Murdaugh changed his alibi mid-trial to fit the defense in this case.
The reality is, Mr. Murdaugh, is the reason why no one's ever heard that before is because you had to sit in this courtroom and hear your family and your friends, one after the other, come in and testify that you were on that kennel video. So you, like you've done so many times over the course of your life, had to back up and make a new story that kind of fit with the facts that can't be denied. Isn't that true, sir?
No, sir, that's not true.
A key part of evidence in this trial is a Snapchat video recorded by the dog kennels at the family's property. Many friends and family have identified Alex, Maggie's, and Paul's voice in this video during the trial. The video was recorded shortly before Maggie and Paul were murdered in the same area, which prosecutors claim put Alex at the crime scene. Alex initially told investigators that he wasn't by the kennels right before their murders, but he revealed yesterday on the stand that was a lie, and said he's been lying to investigators this entire time because he struggled with paranoid thoughts during his drug addiction.
The second that you're confronted with facts that you can't deny, you immediately come up with a new lie. Isn't that correct?
Mr. Waters, as we've established, I have lied many times, but I can't sit here and tell you that. What are you talking about, facts that I can't deny? That I would disagree with that proposition that you're putting out.
Alex Murdaugh wrapped up his testimony in the last hour, and we're expecting closing arguments to begin next week. In Walterboro, South Carolina, Caroline Elliott, Fox 5 News.